Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for another tutorial. Today we will be working on this large bow. They're great for a variety of items. Here's a picture of it with my medium-sized bow also. There's a tutorial for that already up. I use them on my garters. My business is Dark Rose Floral Design. Here's a list of the supplies you'll need to gather to make this. So first we're going to start by grabbing the medium-sized piece of satin. Then we're going to cut it at an angle to give it a nice tail. Next you'll heat seal it. This will keep the ends from fraying. Then you're also going to heat seal the smallest piece. That'll become the center of the bow. And then of course the largest piece, which is the body of the bow. Then you'll fold the largest piece in half. And then you'll fold the ends in to the middle. From here you'll take your needle and thread and put it through the center to hold it all in place. Now you're going to do an accordion fold. So you're just going to fold to the center on one side and then fold to the center on the other. Twist it around a few times to hold it in place. And then I like to put the needle through it to really cinch it together. So now we're going to grab the tail, and we're going to do an accordion fold on the tail. Then press them down a little bit to give it a nice clean look. Got them nice and folded, and then we're going to put the centers together. Wrap it around to hold it together. Then put the needle through to keep it in place. Adjust as needed. Then we just really tighten it down once you got it in the right place. Trim the thread and then put a little dollop of glue there to hold it in place. Now we're going to work on the center. So we're going to fold the little piece in half. And then we're just going to put a little bit of glue on the one end and fold it together. And then we'll do the same to the other end, just to keep it from coming apart on us. So we're going to start on the back of the bow. So we're going to glue end of the ribbon to the center, around the center of the back of the bow. Just put a little bit of hot glue there. And then put the end. Hold it in place for a second to make sure it's stuck. Now we're going to wrap it around the front and end on the back again. And we just glue it into place. And now you have a bow. You can either stop here, it's nice just the way it is, or you can add an embellishment. I use flat back stones, or you can use other type of rhinestones, or even charms. Charms look nice there too. And there you have it, all done. And here it is. And here's the medium size to see them together. Well, thank you for joining me. If you'd like to see more, like my channel. I will be working on some bouquets here in the next week. Thank you. I also have a tutorial up for this lovely boutonniere. Thank you.